but we've picked out 10 cleaning hacks that, although are tailored towards seniors, can make a huge difference in anybody's life.
One look and I breathe. One touch.
Welcome back to our channel, and today we're delving into a topic that can make a huge difference in your daily lives. Cleaning hacks. Now, cleaning hacks are all over social media, all over TikTok, all over Facebook, but we've picked out 10 cleaning hacks that, although are tailored towards seniors, can make a huge difference in anybody's life. First, let's talk about some of the challenges that some seniors face when it comes to home cleaning. We all know that cleaning can be a bit challenging as we get older. As we age, tasks that used to be simple can become difficult due to limited mobility, reduced energy, or even arthritis. Bending over, reaching high places, or scrubbing surfaces can be especially tough. But don't worry, because we've got some great solutions lined up for you. Okay, so let's jump into our 10 senior-friendly cleaning hacks. These tips are designed to make your cleaning routine simpler and less physically demanding. White vinegar is a powerful natural cleaner that can tackle anything from glass surfaces to kitchen counters. There's no need to drag multiple bottles of different cleaning liquids around. It works extremely well as a multi-purpose surface cleaner and will save you lots of time and effort when cleaning around your home. Doing the laundry can sometimes be quite time consuming and difficult to stay on top of, especially if you have large amounts of laundry to do or a busy schedule. So one of the easiest things that you can do is don't sort it. Don't separate white clothes from dark clothes or your tablecloths from sheets or towels. Don't bother sorting it, just throw it all in together. Wash everything on a cold wash setting and your clothes will come out quite clean enough. It will save so much time. Just focus on getting it done rather than being perfect. For the senior community, a great tip is to invest in tools with extended handles. A mop or a duster with a long handle can save you from unnecessary bending or stretching. This is a great way to keep your home clean without straining your back. A tip for those that use blenders at home. Blenders are one of those kitchen items that are awkward to clean, and getting in and around those blades can be a difficult and risky task. But with this tip, there's no need to do it by hand. All you need to do is take your blender, pour in a cup of water and a couple of drops of dish soap. Switch it on and run it through for a few seconds. Rinse it thoroughly and it's done. A great tip for preventing too much fridge cleaning is to use a Lazy Susan. A Lazy Susan is a type of turntable or rotating tray that can be placed on any tabletop, or in this case the fridge, to aid in moving food or bottled items into reach. Using this item aims to prevent inside spillages that happen when reaching in and knocking things over. This is particularly helpful for the senior community as it helps avoid too much stretching. And that leads us on to our next tip for preventing too much inside fridge cleaning. Cleaning out your fridge can be tedious and a bit of a pain, but with this tip, it will save a lot of time and effort. After cleaning your fridge, line the shelving with cling film. The cling film will catch any dropped liquids or food. Then you can just remove the cling film and throw it away, leaving your fridge still nice and clean. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, has a naturally abrasive texture, and its chemical properties make it ideal for household cleaning uses. like scrubbing and scouring dirt, deodorizing bad smells, and lifting stubborn stains. Here are a few uses for quick, effective home cleaning. To unblock your sink drain, sprinkle half a cup of baking soda down the drain and follow it with half a cup of white vinegar. Cover the drain with a cloth and let it sit for 30 minutes. The reaction between the baking soda and vinegar will loosen the blockage. Then pour hot water to flush away the debris. Next, for deodorizing, combine a couple of cups of baking soda with a few drops of essential oils, such as lavender oil, lemon or orange oil. Sprinkle over your carpet, sofa and mattresses. Leave for 30 minutes, then vacuum up. Lastly, sprinkle baking soda into your oven, on the oven window and on your stove top. Spray with white vinegar, leave for 5 minutes, then wipe clean with a damp cloth. This next tip is for those with pets. Use the dishwashing rubber gloves to clean pet hair from your upholstery. Put on the gloves and rub your hands all over your upholstery to quickly pick up the hair. The friction between the gloves and the fabric creates static, causing the hair to stick to the gloves. The other way to do this is just as easy, only requires a little bit of water. Simply dampen your rubber gloves and run your hand over the surface of your sofa to pick up hair. The hair will stick to the wet gloves, so all you have to do is rinse off the gloves when covered and repeat as needed. A lint roller is an excellent tool for speed cleaning. To quickly clean your living room and more, with just a flick of your wrist, simply roll the lint roller all over lampshades, the sofa, the cushions and curtains to pick up dust and pet hair. You can even pick up dropped crumbs on your tablecloth, countertop or the floor. If you notice the lint roller tape filling with debris, simply tear off the sheet and keep going. It couldn't be easier. It can even be used to quickly clean your car interior. And finally, we come to our most effective and game-changing cleaning hack for pet owners. Use a squeegee to remove pet hair from carpets. It's incredibly quick and efficient, and you'll be amazed at just how much hair it picks up. Long-handled squeegees are available for seniors who want to keep their carpet clean without too much effort. Simply pull the squeegee with a little pressure slowly along your carpet in sections, then vacuum up whatever hair, dirt and dust gets collected together. And that concludes our 10 cleaning hacks to make your cleaning at home easier and less physically demanding. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment below what your favourite cleaning hacks are. Perhaps we can feature them in a follow-up video. Keep it locked for more cleaning content, and thanks for watching.